What's up, guys? I just want to cover this real fast. This is a big part of my income. Even if you can't donate something to help, whatever, this is how I make my money. I basically, YouTube's a fairly good size of my income monthly. If you can't donate or you don't want to, that's fine. Feel free to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. But if I kept you from spending hundreds or $1,000 easy at a shop, consider me. You know what I'm saying? It takes time to make these videos. I love giving free information, but it also feels good to have my back scratched too. You know what I'm saying? So everything you need to know is in the link below. Also in the comment section, you'll find all my information in the pinned comments. And I hope I help you guys out. You can help me out. Let's get started. Oh boy. All right, I got this zoomed way out, so we're on wide angle right now, but I just filled up the rear tire, which, by the way, we need to figure out why it's leaking. So while it still has air in it, we're going to do that. However, first startup of the day since last night, since I did the valve work and replaced the CDI, replaced the fuel lines, replaced the fuel, and now we're going to see if this cranks up how it should. I think it still has a little air leak somewhere, and we'll see if we can find that. But key on, first startup of the day. I'm going to try to hold this with my left hand, which does not appear to be working. Oh my goodness. All right, well, I'm just going to hold it with this hand and push the start button and see what happens. There we go. Let's see if it can stay running. There we go. Starting to get that new fuel through it. Valves sound great now. I can tell they're ticking how they should. They sound healthy. No smoke out of the exhaust. Go grab my voltage reader and see if the battery's charging before it warms up too much. Alright. Yes, taking a charge. Excellent. Hey, I got it running now, but the idle's a little too high. And it's probably gonna die. There's definitely an air leak somewhere that I need to find. But definite signs of an air leak. Did you hear the idle just go up? You heard that idle go up? That's carbon choke cleaner. That means there's an air leak. And it looks like it's around the intake manifold or the intake boot. So I'm going to let it idle down again. And then we're going to spray that area one more time just to make sure I'm correct.
Alright guys, pod filter has been installed, and now it's time to tighten the throttle down before we take this out for its first ride. So that's what we're gonna do, because I don't want this throttle cable to come loose while I'm driving down the road. That would be extremely problematic, and that's not what I'm looking for. There we go. Okay. Airflow seems to be intact. Everything seems to be installed correctly. The scooter is running and driving. It now has a filter on it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to throw the seat on this, and I'm going to go grab my helmet. We're going to take it for the first ride here. So let's do that. Wet roads on a machine I don't know yet. I don't know how it's going to react. And I'd rather at least have some skid stuff on in case I go down for any reason at all. Got a screwdriver with me. Let's just crank it up. Make sure it runs. I'm going to sit on the back of it. Take it for its first ride. Let it warm up again real quick. This battery is garbage. Though it's starting the scooter, it's still garbage. I'm gonna have to replace it, and this mirror sucks. This mirror sucks. It's gonna be useless. That's alright, at least that one works. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out why this handle broke off here. Probably gonna have to replace both handles, to be honest with you. So we'll let it go through its little warm up. Says it's ready. Let's find out. Still bogging a bit. We're gonna go. Still bogging. There we go. This thing needs some run time. The valves might be fighting me still a little bit. There we go, good solid takeoff there. I still feel like fuel delivery is kind of a problem here. There's 20 miles an hour. Getting up to 25. And I only have rear brakes, and they're not very good. I can't see anything behind me. There we go. Alright. Let's get her up to speed here. So there's wide open, there's 30. Coming up on 35 miles an hour. There's 35. Let's see if this thing can actually hit 40. Coming up on 40. Boom, 40 miles an hour reached. Still gaining speed. But I think that's about all it's got. It's probably going, in reality, it's probably going about 36 or 37 miles per hour. And that's at full tilt. All the beans. She won't take any more. Well, it's running and driving. A little boggy right out the hole. That's going to come down to tuning issues. So that's going to be air and fuel delivery. But so far so good. Look at that, already up to 25. I'm going to change the oil on this thing too. It needs it. I'm also going to change the spark plug. But like I said, once it got going and warmed up a little bit, it seems to be taking throttle just fine. There's 25, coming up on 30 again already. It's a screaming little scooter. It's not too bad. But it's not fast enough. Dan's gonna make it faster. There's 35 miles an hour. We're going slightly uphill too. Holding 35 steady. There's no way it's going to come up on 40 going uphill. I'd be blown away. Yeah, it's starting to lose a little speed. It's hanging out at around 36 or 37 miles an hour going uphill. There you go. It's running. It's driving. It's doing its thing. It's pretty hard to argue with that. Especially with gas prices. That old lady was like, what the hell is that coming down the road? I'm just out having fun, folks. I realize I'm very large for this scooter, you know. Well, there you go. We're about to peg 40 again now that we got a straightaway. All right. Engine sounds overall pretty darn healthy, I would say. Get some RPMs under it, it'll go. There we go, we're already up almost to 25 miles an hour. Coming up on 30. Make sure the blinkers work. No blinkers yet, huh? Looks like they're either working or they're not. I can't really tell. I'll have to get off the scooter and see. Oh, they are working. For whatever reason, the light up here isn't telling me that they're working. Horn? Yay! So far, everything works on this scooter. The rear brakes need severe adjusting. But after it got going a little bit, it seemed to do fine. It's got a good amount of takeoff now. Already up to 25. Sweet. Now let's see if it idles. There you go. Okay. Running, driving, everything works. Little tuning to go, but $250, good deal.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right. So awesome! It's like a dream! It's like a dream!